Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of this lesson. Okay, but before that, you tell me, all of you read this lesson carefully. Very good. Now see the remaining part. See, we see this one, the summer season. This one start. Then in that season, what we see here. In summer season, many trees get new leaves. In summer season, what happen? Many trees get new leaves. Forests appear to have taken on a copper color. And which one the forest are there? They look like the copper color. Why these one forest look the copper color? See, because these leaves are reddish and shiny, while they are tender. Which one the leaves of that one trees, this one become the reddish and shiny. Okay, and while they are tender, their color changes to green as the leaves grow bigger. When this one the small means tender. Okay, when the leaves are small, then that time they look the reddish and shiny. Okay, tender means here small. Their color change to green as the leaves grow bigger. But when this one leaves grow bigger, this one color change and become a green. The call of the koel is heard in many places. We listen this one, the call of the koel, many times. Kuhu kuhu, correct na? The call of koel is heard in many places. Then see, in summer the market is full of mangoes and watermelons for us to buy. Correct? In summer, if we are going in a market, then we see all over, we see the different types of mangoes are there, as well as big small watermelons are there, and we will buy that one. See, this is the season for these fruit, and this is the season of these fruit. Although mango trees grow all over Maharashtra, and we see means our region also, this one mango trees are there, as well as all over the Maharashtra the mango trees are grow. But mostly we see the mango Hapus, we are saying this one, we see this one grow in a Konkan region. The Konkan region is particularly famous for its mangoes. Which one mangoes are there in Konkan? Hapus. Which one type? Hapus. Then see, it is also season for the cashew nuts. See, this one the picture is there, cashew nut, and this one upside part, if you are seeing, this one look like an apple. Correct na? And here this one the small cashew nuts are there. See, it is also the season for cashew nuts. The red yellow cashew apples can be seen. See, this is the red yellow cashew apple. It is said to be the cashew apple because this one look like an apple. Can be seen growing on the cashew trees. On the hillside in a Konkan region, means in a Konkan region mangoes are there, as well as this one cashew nuts are also there. Okay, but where these one trees are grow? In a on the hillside, on the hillside in the Konkan region. Means in when we are going in Konkan, then we see mangoes are there as well as cashew nuts are there. Means they grow in a more quantity in a Konkan region. Then see, after summer which one season is there? Very good, monsoon, or it is said to be the rainy season. See, in June black clouds make their appearance. In June what happen? After summer black clouds we see in the sky. The rainy season is a short way away. Means the rainy season is a short way away. By this time we begin to get jackfruits, jamuns and karbandas. Okay, this one the jackfruits we are getting, as well as jamuns are there, and karbanda are there. This one fruits also we are getting in a hillside. See, the seeds of grass and other plants lie scattered all over the ground. They sprout and start growing as soon as it begins to rain. When rain begin, that time what happen? Which one the grass of seeds are there? These one start to sprouting, and they spread all over the ground. It becomes green everywhere. That's why we see greenery in the rainy season. Small small grass we see all over the land. This greenery is a soothing after the hot summer month. Sometimes we can even see the rainbow with its 7 colors in the sky. We see when sun and rain both are there, that time we see this one the 7 color rainbow in the sky. As it becomes wet everywhere, frogs appear. And in rainy season we see the small small frogs are there. We also hear the loud noise of frogs croaking all together. Then in summer season, which call we listen? Koyal. And then in in rainy season we listen the noise of frogs croaking. For us, the rainy season is the season for crops to grow in field. And we see in the field, then farmers they are going in their field and they start to grow the crop. Okay, they sowing the seeds, and then afterwards these one seeds they sprouted and the crops are grow. Farmers work hard in the fields. As the rainy season ends, it is time for winter to make a come back. After rainy season, which season is there? Winter. Very good. It get colder and colder. Then in winter season, too much cold is there. That's why we wear the woolen clothes. See, this is not good for the frog. Then in winter season, this one not good for frog. They go deep under the ground, and that's why these one frogs are there. They go deep under the ground for a long period of slumber, which lasts for 7 or 8 months. Means for 7 and 8 months, 7 or 8 months, this one frog live under the ground, because which one the winter season is there, this one not suitable for the frog. They cannot adapt in a winter season. That's why they go under the ground. How many months they live there? 7 or 8 months. Understood? Likewise we finish our lesson. Now in this lesson what we learn, see here, we need of all living things are met in the environment. There are differences in the needs of different living things. Already we see, means which one the living things are there, their need, which one the need is there, they fulfill from the environment. There are difference in the needs of different living thing, and each and every living thing, their needs are different one. Some arboreal animals means what? The animal live in tree, like monkeys and the squirrels live in trees and feed on them. Their dropping helps trees to grow in new place. Some birds build their nest in trees. Each type of living things thrives where all its needs are fulfilled. For example, tigers live in grassland and aquatic plants live in water. See, means we are also living where are all needs. This one fulfilled, means we also choose such a area. Okay, likewise all living things are there, they choose the area where their needs are fulfilled. मीन्स उनको जिन उनकी जो नीड है जहाँ वो पूरी होती है वो वहाँ रहते हैं. Means likewise the tigers are there, they live in a grassland. Aquatic plant, they need water, that's why they live in water. Changes in seasons affect living things. In winter, trees shed leaves. When seasons are changing, we see the changes in a environment. In a winter, what happen? Trees shed their leaves and animal coats grow thicker. Okay, which one the covering means hairs are there on animal body, this one become thicker. Why? Because they feel the warm. Okay, see, at the start of summer trees get new leaves. In winter trees shed leaves, and in summer trees get new leaves. In the rainy season it become green all around, and in rainy season what happen? All over we see greenery are there. Frogs appear and crops grow in field. Which one the frogs are there? Means their birth is there as well as crops grow in a field. Okay, see, always remember the environment changes with the seasons. Living things have to adapt themselves to those changes. All of you understood? If any difficulty is there, if you not understood anything, then you will ask to me. Okay, then see, this one question number D and E means first of all you have to read the lesson carefully and solve these one question number D and E in your notebook. Okay, see how are plants useful to us. Then we have to write the uses of plant. Then what is meant by arboreal animal? All of you know the animal which live in tree and feed on tree. What changes do we see in the trees at the beginning of March? This one is there. First of all, for that one you have to read lesson carefully. Okay, then this one fill in the blanks is there. This one also you have to write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.